Here is video 2 for Unit 2, Week 5. We've been talking about prepositions and what to do with titles of books or magazines or songs. And we're going to do a little proofreading in this video to see if we can fix some mistakes, because that's what fixing mistakes will be like when you actually write. And we're going to review all of those topics in the last slide. So 2 slides today. Dear Mr. Monroe, I have been an avid reader of your newspaper, The Gazette, for years. Your articles are my favorite because they describe your topics so specifically. I remember reading Fields of Flowers around Mother's Day and Local Fire Station Receives Award. Both of those articles vividly reflected how you love your community. I am an editor for the Mississippi Monthly. If you ever would like to work for a different paper, we would be happy to have you. Best wishes, Miss Lee. Now, Miss Lee would be someone within the business world that Mr. Monroe works in. So this would be a more formal letter. So at the beginning, instead of a comma, we would have a colon for a business letter. I have been an avid reader of your newspaper, The Gazette. So that's the name of the newspaper. So the Gazette either gets underlined or italics. Your articles are my favorite because they describe your topics. So we're going to start talking about the articles now. That's going to be a smaller thing within the larger work. So our articles, if you remember right, those get the quotation marks. So I remember reading Fields of Flowers, and they read that around Mother's Day time. And the other article they read must have been Local Fire Station Receives Award. It's got all those capitalized words in it. Both of these articles vividly reflected how you love your community. I am an editor for the Mississippi Monthly, so a different paper. So we need to underline or italicize that new paper. If you would ever like to work for a different paper, we would be happy to have you. After the best wishes, you need a comma. So we can always check out how we do on the other part. We fixed the titles and the introduction, and we got the comma at the end. I think we got everything. So, last review. This would be for the last page in your packet. You'll have to underline prepositional phrases. You're not going to circle the preposition, though. You're going to circle the object of the preposition. That's at the end of the prepositional phrase. So, I saw 2 boats on the lake. Let me push pause. Someone came to my door, so I had to pause quickly, but let's see if we can find these prepositional phrases. I saw 2 boats on the lake. Okay, that's giving you information about where the 2 boats are. Now we're circling objects of the preposition. So the preposition is on, lake is the object. Her directions to the zoo were helpful. Well, her directions were helpful is your base sentence. To the zoo is your prepositional phrase. On the lake, to the zoo. The object of our preposition, zoo. You also get to find some comma, quotation marks, underlining mistakes. The song will be on her new album, Beautiful Day. So I need to ask myself, is Beautiful Day the name of the song, which would need quotation marks, or is it the name of the album that has all the songs in it? That would get an underline or italics. Well, it says it's on her new album, Beautiful Day. So I'm thinking I need to either underline this or it would go in italics, which would be the slanted writing. So for you, that would be like cursive. Then we will listen to track 7, Falling Raindrops. Track 7 is a song within that CD. So that one gets quotation marks. So try the last page and then turn in your packet and you're done for the week.